guys, what's going on? Good morning. So we're about to take a trip to go see my mom. She lives about 2 hours away from us, and we're just gonna deliver some stuff that she can purchase there. And yeah, I get to see her. So we're gonna see her and see my brother and stuff like that. So we're gonna take a little trip, but before that, so it's early in the morning. Before that, sorry, before that, I have to go and purchase the stuff then for her, like some yam and stuff like that. She can't get that over there, so I have to go purchase that for her. So I hate me, I gotta know. So me I take you along with me. Yes. But I have to work out last night because I didn't get a chance to work out in the morning, in the afternoon. So I had to work out. We were looking at the night last night, and I'm tired. Also guys, follow me on Instagram. I have all my workout videos them and stuff like that and post on Instagram. I post a lot more on Instagram than what I do on YouTube here. So I feel like it's just more easy and convenient to me for now. So go over and check out my post. I think I put the link below for the Instagram channel.
They saying Mike's about to blow though. Tell me something that I don't know. With the crowd bouncing like pogos. You can come on the tour bus, just please no photos. Up the ride like Somo. Cause we be going off on the off nights. Cause I've been on every single song I put my pin on now. They don't know, or maybe they starting to. Cause I work so.
Okay, so I'm at the store now. Probably take me like maybe 6 minutes to get here. It's not far from where we are. And gonna buy some stuff. Got some hot sauce here. Oh, Jamaica pickle pepper. Certain stuff like that. And the salt mackerel I forget from all the way in the fridge on the back there. And then maybe pick up the yam. I'm gonna get back to put the salt mackerel into because I like to double up the bag. Hopefully they can hear me now, guys.
Everybody's listening now, but we got nothing to lose. When I'm
Yes. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna pick up is I pick up some bun, some spice bun, and some yam. I'm not sure. I'm not gonna go with the yellow yam because for some reason whenever I buy yellow yam, I always get some bitter ones. So I'm gonna go with the white yam. The nigger yam, we call it, negro yam, they call it. But anyway, there's the price. So I'll go with these ones right here. And we probably pick up 2 sweet potato. And what else? Oh, they move cassava. But I not buy no cassava. Mom wanted like, you got what the yam name? The soft yam, which like the airy yam. But them not know that. So I just I'll go with this. I'm probably pick up one banana chips too. Oh, they have sorrel. Feel like to make sorrel drink. Feel like to make sorrel drink for Christmas, maybe. Depend on the price though. Is that? Is that? For the local package here. Sorry. This is $4.50, so this is like a $450 or almost $500 Jamaican. But anyway, I look on the bun. One bun is like the bun raised. It was like $3.99. I know it's like almost $4.50. Anyways, let me take up like 3 bun here. So this is how it is. Look good so far. And see it there. Make sure say white and see no dark spot into it. But I don't know if more other piece here still. I don't know if more other piece here. The piece here. My mother always tell me say when I buy yam, I know if I buy the yam bottom. So what? This part cut off. So does this consider as yam bottom? I don't even know. Okay, it looks good. Looks really good. And next piece, cut off the bottom piece there. Yeah, it looks good. So I'm taking this one. I'm gonna take this one. These 2 here, Jamaican sweet potato. What else? Okay, so mom said she did wanted snapper, and I can't make it to the other store because that's gonna be a big lineup out there. So I'm just gonna buy a snapper right here. So the snapper price there, $8.99 a pound. And let's see how them look. So that's how they look. Probably look too decent size. Okay, so I see this pack for $39 and then these two, I don't know how much these two are come up to. Or may I check them and see if whichever cheaper me buy it. So yeah, it's not quite expensive. Okay guys, that's it. I'll go up to the cashier now and then finish. Okay guys, so now I'm back home. I'm getting stuff ready so we can head out on the road like right now. So I'll look after a breast milk for the baby, bottle for the baby, and I'll go get some breast milk from the freezer. And yeah, we're all ready. Oh, just put the bag right there then, please. Thank you.
Nights, cause I've been on every single song I put my pin on now. They don't know, or maybe they starting to. Cause I work so hard that it's hard to lose. Top spot, I'm taking that face to face. Got a bottle in my hand, I'm facing that. Cause if winning is a habit, then I've been an addict. Every night it's cinematic when you roll with us. And we won't live forever, but I will remember when I met you in the summer. And I came to your town. We fell in love. We burned it to the ground. And we could be together, baby. But I gotta leave soon. And everybody's listening now. But we got nothing to lose. When I met you in the summer. When I met you in the summer.
Okay guys, so we're finally here. You probably can't even see me. Hey, step on my face. She's sleeping. She's sleeping. Let's go wake up grandma. Let's go see grandma. Honey, go see grandma.
Yes, man.
Hi. Yes. All right. What's wrong? It's okay. It's okay. Yeah. I'm ready.
Cause I've been on every single song I put my pin on now. They don't know, or maybe they starting to. Cause I work so hard that it's hard to lose.
Okay guys, so we're here. We're just with some juice and stuff for mom. We have some juice here, orange juice, apple juice. Let me show you mom.
Yes.
I just did her hair to trim it down a little bit. Yeah. You got 2 fish me getting a mama.
2? Why did you get 3?
No, mama, me just buy it at something there. Okay foods. There's mom.
This who?
Vlog.
Who?
Vlog on the internet. On YouTube.
Who on it?
Mine. You're gonna be on mine.
Sound like how they do not eat them out. What is this?
Look good. So, and then you're gonna dye it, right? What color are you gonna use?
I don't know. Yes. Tell me there's one color like this.
Yellowish?
Yeah.
Well, I guess I don't think it needs to bleach.
Yeah, no bleach. You look good, man.
Like me, I tell us that over here is a lot more soft than over the other side.
Good.
Yeah, it look good. She said it look good. She approve.
Yes, you approve.
Okay. Okay guys, so we got home maybe about an hour and a half ago. It's about after 11. No, it's after 12 now. So sorry, we got home get the kids them something to eat. I got something to eat. Now work out today. My workout, probably work out in the morning or in the afternoon tomorrow, for sure. And I'm just pump, right? Because I didn't pump while on the way here, so I'm never drink enough water today. So breast milk is a little low. Yes, I can be quiet because the baby's in the swinging. Me about to take him up and put him in his crib, and me just move over the videos them from earlier today, and this is the video I'm closing out the vlog with, and then I put it over as well. So yes, so basically I just have to get ready, try to edit. Me not think I'm gonna edit all of it tonight, but I'm gonna try if I just put it in together and try to edit some of it and then go sleep, because I'm gonna wake up early in the morning because I have a few things to do. And yeah, that's about it. I'm kind of tired. It was really good to see mom today. It was really nice seeing her today. It wasn't a long stay. As Mr. was, we were just taking over some food supply and stuff like that for her. Some Caribbean food supply, some yard food for her. So probably see her back again on Friday. I think she's coming over here to the city for an appointment. So probably see her again on Friday. That would be nice. Probably won't be long because we have new, as of today, talking to you today, new restriction. So yeah, I probably have to go to the store maybe tomorrow or the day after that to go buy up a few things, because we ain't touching road. We haven't been touching road, but we now definitely know we're not gonna touch road. So it's just that. Yeah, that's basically it for the night. And I'm tired. We are yard. Sorry. We are yard so much because I want to sleep. And if I'm gonna get some of these videos look after, I'm not gonna do it until tomorrow. So anyway guys, so I see you guys in my other video. I hope you enjoyed this little vlog. Hopefully. I'm trying. People, may I try. So okay, thank you guys for watching. Also remember, subscribe, comment, like, share, all of them nice up there if you like to. So I'll see you in my other video later. I'm out.